Hello Leo, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. Let's go ahead and go into your channel messages. This is your Love is Real reading. I am your host Vanessa Carby. By the way, just in case you forgot my name. And why are you not subscribed? Okay, let's go. Are you ready for love, Leo? Let us see. Are you? We have the 9 of Cups. I'm getting that is what you're wishing for. You've been wishing for. You just a wish for somebody to knock on your door and say, hi, I'm a single girl. Do you want to be my boyfriend? I'm getting that's what you're wishing for. Maybe you're wishing that somebody else is single, but I'm getting yes, you're ready for love, if that's what you're asking. How will you meet this person? We have the Empress. I'm getting you already know this person. I'm getting your if cause I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I be okay if I get one. If I have one wish. I'm getting if you have one wish, you will to be with the Empress. I want to say again. Maybe you were with her. I'm getting your wishes to be with this Empress. You're gonna meet this Empress, maybe the Empress will help you, or the Empress just giving you advice. But I'm getting a CR, I'm getting you watch the Empress work. I'm getting that's who you want to be with. So that's where you're going to meet her. You're going to meet her outside. You might meet her around a park. Or you're going to see her in passing. That's how you're going to meet her. But I'm getting you like, wow, yeah, that's who I want. That's the type, yeah, I want that one. I'm getting something like that. What is your lover's characteristics? You have the 7 of Wands. Now she's very defensive. She probably don't trust a lot of people. Right? She might come across very gullible, but that don't mean she don't know that you're telling you're lying. That don't mean she don't know you're lying to her, even though she might seem gullible. I'm getting that is the trait of the Empress, to seem gullible so you can lie to her as much as possible, so she can know how far you'll go. But me getting the Empress is very defensive. She don't trust a lot of people. You know this. You know somebody's hard to gain access to. Someone's hard to get out to them house. So me getting, that's the only thing, they're defensive, they're on hold. If you wish to be with her, I'm guessing you're going to have to practice accommodating her, or to make her feel comfortable enough to break down her walls to let you in. Because I'm getting a lot of people who want the Empress attention. And on top of that, I'm getting, maybe people might have lied and say things off a whim to get the Empress's attention, so she don't trust a lot. So that's the only characteristics you have. Them very standoff, them very defensive, or them don't trust easily. They're not one to just get up and do something right away. Them have to know you, planning to have time, all of that. What will the relationship teach you? The 3 of Pentacles is going to teach you how to work in a group. It's going to also teach you that, I think something is going to teach you to treat the relationship as a business. You have to show up every day, you have to clock in every day, you have to make your boss know when you're missing. If you sleep on a job, or me getting treat the relationship like a business. Or me getting the Empress is very, very professional. Me getting she has a business, she owns a business, maybe that's why she's so defensive. Because she's already a public figure, a face for a business already. So she's going to be defensive in case you want to go around because she don't call you back, you want to mash up her Google business. That's what I'm getting. So the relationship is going to teach about working together. So this might be a co-worker, or I'm getting the girl you want to work at your company. Me getting you want going to business. Me getting something like love and work. You like the girl and you say that girl would be a really good person to go in a relationship with and to the business with. Me getting she don't know if she could trust you, but me getting you want put her up on a contract. Me getting you, she could be somebody else, or me getting you and her is the only 2 people who will be working here. So I'm getting love. I'm getting you feel like someone would run the company, or I'm getting you feel like someone has a lot of experience when it comes on to budgeting. Could be something about payroll. But I'm getting you meeting them at work. We have passport. We have aliens. We have program. We have I am the game. We have fake business. Okay, so be careful. Be careful, because the 3 of Pentacles is fake business. Okay, so this could be your work. Your work, them see your work and them like your work. Them want to collaborate with your work. Me getting somebody, I am getting someone knows if them work with you, and even if it don't work out, them will still get clout off of being with you and once working with you. So I'm getting somebody want to work with you, with your business. Or that's what someone's saying. Someone's like, yeah, you know, she's my girlfriend. Yeah, I'm usually over the other side of the camera watching her work. No, the fuck they not. No, the fuck they not. Something like that. So I'm getting something fake business. So maybe you're dating somebody, unbeknownst to you, you're on someone's payroll, but you ain't getting paid. They hired you to be a security. Why are you not showing up for your job? Oh, because until they say it's not hire, right? Oh, also, speaking of hiring, I want to make a public service announcement to all the people who is looking for work. Dollarama, apparently the only way people can get access and apply for your job links is through a certain website. Now, when we go on the Dollarama website, it asks us to download an app. And through that app, you can submit your resume. The app does not work, and a lot of people online are complaining about how them submit them resume to Dollarama. Now, no, them cannot can get a call back. So first of all, Dollarama, your recruiting app, what I want to tell people for download what they found on the website, it don't work. That's the first thing. The second thing is, that one, yeah, this Dollarama right here, I remember going in there, I'm here over the radio, looking for a job. Dollarama is hiring today. Okay, but I asked the woman, the same Indian woman, I don't know if I'm the manager, I asked her for not hire, she said no, not here. Meanwhile, she's accusing a fucking teenager of fucking stealing. Where's in the security? Where is in the security? You cannot be cashing and checking people back at the same time. Not nago so. Not nago. Not nago so. So I'm getting that's why people are cussing Uno, or that's why Uno short staff, because the app is not working. So they need to get the technicians to fix the app. I don't know how Dollarama is such a multi-billion-dollar business and nobody has brought this up to HR. Wow. Right, to just show you, you guys really running the fucking quality of the store down. So on top of that, on the app don't work for recruiting purposes, and when you go in store and ask the managers of the place if them are hired, them telling you no. Meanwhile, you hear over the radio, looking for a job? Call Dollarama, apply to Dollarama today. And while she accused the little boy of stealing the fucking, whatever the fucking steal out of the store, where's the security? Because while on the claiming that on the hiring, when we go into store, the people might tell us that I'm not hire. No, we don't hire here. We know we're not hiring at this location. That is what the managers is saying. Dollarama. So I'm going to leave it here until next. That's probably what the fucking fake business is. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.